Welcome to The Original Life. My name's John, that's my wife Chrissy over there, and we are getting ready for our first real family vacation. And where are we going? We're going to Disney World. So as we're getting ready and as we're packing, let's talk about what we're looking forward to the most. Jonah, what are you looking forward to the most?
Mom, seeing sci-fi with you.
Seeing the Saturn V? That's not even Disney World.
Yes, it's just part of the Disney trip, dude.
Yeah, I guess. Now let's go to Rachel. And Rachel, what are you looking forward to most about Disney?
I'm looking for some tangled pancakes.
Some what?
Some tangled pancakes.
Oh, tangled pancakes. That's what you're looking forward to most for this whole trip.
And I also looking for some blue milk.
And Chris, what are you looking forward to?
Whatever gets the biggest reaction out of the kids.
Out of them?
What?
Okay, I hear you. You're very interested in what our week is gonna look like. Well, this is what it's gonna look like. So first day, we're gonna fly to Disney, that's today. Second day is Animal Kingdom. Third day is Hollywood Studios. Fourth day, me and Jonah are gonna go to the Kennedy Space Center to see the Saturn V.
Yep.
Day 5, we have Epcot. Day 6, we have Magic Kingdom. And then it's not written here, but day 7, we are flying home. My daughter just informed me it is on the calendar. Have a look at this. If you flip it to February, there it is, fly home. Rachel's right.
Fly home, please.
Boy, it's a beautiful day to go to Florida. You know, personally, I really like the snow. I think it's really pretty. I enjoy it whenever it comes. You know, I want 2 or 3 feet at a time. I want it to come a lot, but it really is a nice day to go to Florida. I'm pretty sure it's all gonna fit. We'll see. I've only got a couple bags left. All right, had to do a little bit of reconfiguring, but here's where we're at. Everything fits in the back of the Tesla with a little bit of room to spare, but my suitcase could not fit, but I have a solution. Does this count as fitting in the frunk? Sure, we'll see. A little tighter than I would like, but not bad. Now let's head in and make sure the kids are ready, Chrissy's ready, and we'll get going to Disney. Where are we going?
Disney!
Now let's get to the plane. One stop before we get going, and that's Wawa. Now we go to the airport. All right, so we just got to Newark Airport here at Terminal A in the parking lot, and I was able to find some electric car chargers. Super handy. All right, just checked our bags, $40 each, but just checked and we're on our way to the gate. Okay, Jonah, we have to find our gate. It is A19. Can you help?
Maybe.
Maybe. Let's go find our gate.
Okay. Yes.
We're gonna go find our gate, okay?
Yeah, it's A19. All gates are downstairs.
That's right. Let's go. What gate are we going to, Jenna?
A19.
A19. So which way do we need to go?
We need to go. It said we need to go that way.
Hey Jonah, what do you see?
I see a place that says children's play area.
Children's play area.
There is.
Well, let's go find our gate first, and then we can go check it out maybe.
Okay, heading to the gate park. A9.
Jonah, A19.
Okay, just saw A9.
You saw A9? Oh, there it is. A9. R for Rachel.
Rachel! not going that way, but we're going this way.
All right, let's go. Hey Jonah, we just found our gate. What do you think of the airport experience so far?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. The last time you went into an airport was when we moved back to New Jersey, and that was like 3 years ago, 3.5, almost 4 years ago actually. Anything changed since then? What do you remember?
I remember, the moving vlog.
The moving vlog.
Uh-huh.
For those that don't know, I made a moving vlog from Indiana to New Jersey on my other channel. I'll link it down below. Any other thoughts, Jonah, since we're at the gate?
Pretty stuff. I'm gonna enjoy the trip.
You're gonna enjoy the trip.
Hello.
Hey Rachel, what do you think now that we're at the gate?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. All right, you heard it here first. Good and fluffy.
Help. We're going to that play area over there.
Newark Airport's changed a lot since I was here last. This whole section of the terminal, maybe the whole terminal, has been revamped. It's really nice. And this kids' play area is super cool. It's even got a place for parents to sit. How nice is that?
So I'm playing in the play area.
Make sure you're on camera.
I am on camera. Hey Zelda! Why are you doing this? Why are you looking for Walt Disney? Hey Daddy, why are you looking for Walt Disney?
I'm looking forward to hanging out with you and Jonah and Mummy.
Wow. That was very cute.
Yeah. Well, what about you, Rachel?
They're looking for some Tingles pancakes. Waiting.
You're tired of all this waiting? Mm-hmm. Jonah, the plane isn't leaving for another 2 hours. Jonah, but we're probably going to board in an hour and a bit, and Mummy's going to go find some food for you, okay? Jonah, how bored are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
Super bored.
Super bored out of 10?
Hello.
All right.
Once upon a time, there was a poopy.
No poopies. Rachel, no poopies.
What about a fluffy?
No fluffies.
Hello everybody, how do you do?
Time to get on the plane. We actually got on early because we have to set up the car seat and that kind of stuff. So that's kind of nice. There's Jonah, there's Rachel, and there's Mommy on the plane. Next up, Orlando. For future Jonah watching this in the future, many years, just remember that this is the kind of kid that you were. sitting in the seat, and you could be watching movies or a TV show, but you're looking at a map, figuring out where we're going. Classic Jonah. Hey, Rachel, how high are we?
This high.
Like that high?
That's it.
So we're just going through Georgia. Jonah, what's a fun fact about Georgia?
It's where Uncle Andrew and Aunt Allie used to live.
That's right.
Silver Dot Wars. And then they did some Orlando, Florida.
One of the other perks about having kids is having to wait till the very end to get off, but then there's no one here, so that's nice. All right, off the plane, we have a stroller. Time to get luggage. So I have to come to a different terminal to get my luggage. I don't think I've had that before. Maybe in Atlanta, I don't know. All right, just got our bags, almost got stuck in an elevator. It wouldn't move. Luckily, Chrissy got it open. Just picked up our bags from baggage claim. Chrissy's taking the kids to the bathroom, and now we are gonna go downstairs to get the rental car. We just got to the rental car place. We could choose any car we want. And here we go, we picked this Kia, pretty big. It should serve us well for this week. All right, we just got to our hotel. This is the Caribbean Resort. Give you a room tour as soon as we get in, but that was confusing. Florida roads, actually kind of nice, but we're gonna pay with coins? Come on, is this 1984? I think we have a pretty good view from our room.
Now let's go find our room.
All right. And here we are in our room at the Caribbean Beach Resort. Let's do a quick room tour. Here's the front door. Air conditioning, I assume. Nice little table, and we have bed number 1 and bed number 2, which Jonah and Rachel have seemingly claimed. Let us walk over to here. So we have big TV, and then the 5th bed, I think they call it, right here with a nice little image of Mickey and Pluto taking a nap. Over here we have the coffee maker and the ice for when we want to do that. Lots of little drawers. And then we have the bathroom. Nice little bathroom, nothing too fancy. Ooh, that's nice. Extra pillows and blankets. And then that is the room. What do you think of the room?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Rachel, what do you think of the room?
Pretty cozy.
Pretty cozy. Mummy, what do you think of the room? Acceptable. I just wanted to point out something. We've actually got a pretty nice room. We're on the corner here of building 32, and being on the corner means we've got a pretty sweet view of the water, the beaches. Sebatian's Bistro is right there, as well as the big pool. That's where we're going tonight, to the Bistro. Pool's probably for tomorrow, but Bistro tonight for dinner since we just got here. Should be a nice little intro to Disney. But I'll say this, it's currently January 26th, Australia Day, and the weather is perfect here in Florida. I think it's maxing out at 70 degrees. Right now it's like 50, so I'm in a t-shirt and shorts. Very nice. But yeah, pretty impressed so far. I can see a little bit about why people like coming here. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. Hey Rachel, where are we going?
To dinner. Dinner! Sebatian Hey, Mom, have you been there before?
All right, let's go to Sebastian's Bistro. All right, so here we are at Sebastian's Bistro. A lot of families here. A surprise, but kind of a good surprise, is it's family style. So they just kind of bring out the menu, you have whatever they have, and a lot of good stuff on there. We'll see how the kids do, a lot of fish. But yeah, I'm really excited to try what is on the menu, and so is Jonah. Okay, Jonah, tell me where you're at with excitement about the meal tonight. Where are you? 0? Hey, you were at 50% before. About 50%. And Rachel, how excited are you for the meal tonight? 100. Oh yeah. So they just brought out the bread. It's apparently really good. I'm going to try it in a second. But there's this Parmesan Mickey biscuit thing, which I was going to get a video of, but Rachel got to it first. Yeah. Is that good? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? So I forgot to take a video beforehand of what it looked like, but here's the aftermath. Jonah, give me a rating of dinner.
1 out of 10.
Oh, that's not bad. Not bad, I'll take it. Rachel, rating of dinner? Yeah, that's a good one. And Mummy, rating of dinner? And before we can even think, dessert is here. I have heard that this is very special. This is the pineapple bread pudding with caramel sauce and vanilla ice cream.
I don't like this ice cream. It's very vanilla, but I like ice cream instead.
All right, so wrapping up that meal, there was steak, there was fish, there was pulled pork, there were chicken drumsticks, there was bread pudding with pineapple and ice cream. There was all kinds of stuff on that. I think there's only one phrase that can sum up what that meal was. Jonah?
That was a lot of food.
Okay, Jonah, as we wrap up day 1 of the vlog, what was your favorite thing that happened today?
Going on the airplane.
Get on the airplane.
Watching the movie.
What movie did you watch?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol, that's pretty cool. Anything else fun about today?
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
No.
But I think that's going to wrap it up for us tonight. It's about 8 o'clock. We're all tired. We want to get to bed, ready for this fun-filled week. And tomorrow is what?
Tomorrow is we're going to visit the Animal Kingdom.
Tomorrow is the Animal Kingdom. Let's get ready for a lot of fun tomorrow, and we'll see you then.